First of all, congratulations on your win tonight. What does this recognition mean for your organization?
It is a very, very important and it is a really awesome achievement of our organization. And why I would like to say that there is sustainability in our entire business. Okay, and we are the lowest carbon footprint company in the world, and so it is very proudful moment for us.
Lovely, lovely. So, if I ask you that, how do you see consumer behavior influencing industries to adopt more sustainable practices? And how can companies use this shift to drive change?
I can reply you in the three different fronts. The number one is that why we are sustainable is that you see in the cement industry, the most of the people are using the fossil fuel, and that is a very important, and it is recognized that whenever using the fossil fuel, it is giving a reduction of the life of the fuels and for the future. We are the world's number one company which is making a lot of green fuel using, and that is a green fuel is more sustainable compared to others. So the consumer front, we are the number one, and whatever I earlier say, we are the number one in the carbon footprint generation in this entire cement industry, and we got the award also for this.
That's great. So, if I ask you that sustainability is a concept nowadays, it is the word. So, it's a big concept in the industry. So, how can companies work towards making it from just a concept to real progress?
Number one, that there is a 2 to 3 important parameters. Then when we are talking about our well-being of our employee, of our people, and secondly the surrounding people, where our plant is located in the different area, different states in the entire India. So it is a pan India. We have a plant. So when I'm talking about my employee, the employees, we are taking care of the well-being. Our company is a value-based company. We are the committed, trustworthy, respect, and speed. That is our values of our company. So we are a value-based company, and whenever our employee, we have a completely standard the procedure of our employee to taking care of this family and his education and the children education and everything. So number one, that we are sustainable. Number two important part is wherever our plant is located, the surrounding area is also we are taking care. So there is a lot of new initiative we have started, and there is a lot of new initiative. I would like to say the flagship achievement is that is we have a Lakshya program. Lakshya. In this program, the surrounding the villagers, we are giving a training, and afterwards they are making a lot of new achievement, because some of the people, some of the girls in the surrounding area, in the villages, they don't know what is education, how can be stand in front of in the world. The important part is that we are giving a education, we are trained him in our school and colleges, the surrounding plant area, and we are also giving a employment through the different organization programs. So that is a sustainable program we are making for our organization.
All right. That was lovely talking to you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.